Hello all, welcome to Technostic. Today we are having a question in the section of working with Python as create a program that asks the user to enter their name and their age. Now print out a message addressed to them that tells them the year that they will turn into 100 years old. So what we want is the user may type their name and their age, and then the output will show them in which year they will turn 100 years old. So for that, we'll be writing our code over here. First we'll take a variable name. In that we'll just take the input and we'll write enter your name. Then next we'll take a variable name age, and we'll first, because by default it will be taking in the format of string, so we'll do type conversion over here and take the integer format of the variable. So we'll write int, and then we'll take the input enter your age. Now we'll print year when you turn 100 is. Then we have the formula over here, that is 100 minus the age variable plus this current year. The current year this year is 2020, so we'll type over here 2020. So what it will do, it will subtract the number of years that we currently are, and it will add the following whole thing into the age stuff. So this is the shortest program that you can do for this particular output that you want. Now we'll just save it. We'll name it century age. Very funny name, but we'll save it as century age.py, and we'll run the module. So it will ask you to enter your name. Let's say I enter Ria over here. It will ask my age. I'll write 20 over here for example, and it will show me that in the year 2100 I'll turn 100 years old. Thank you for being at Technostic. Stay tuned for more such content.